Welcome back to another giveaway, guys. This is the 6th one that we've done in a row. So that's 6 months total we have done a giveaway. Really hyped to say that we've done this for 6 months in a row. There's no other YouTubers out there that I think are doing this, or at least skate YouTubers that are doing this. I know Mr. Beast does giveaways like every single video, and I can't match that yet, but maybe someday we will. But regardless, this is the 6th month in a row that I've been giving away free product to all of my subscribers. If you don't know how to enter my giveaways, I host them every single month. All you've got to do is like the video, comment on the video, or any video that's uploaded within that given month, and then make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That's the 3 ways that all you have to do to enter my giveaways. It's 100% free, and I send everything out from my house, like this board here. The last giveaway we did, we gave away trucks, bearings, hardware, grip, deck, and that actually went to New Zealand. Somebody won a almost skate deck and a set of bearings, and that went all the way to New Zealand. So congratulations to you, I think that's awesome. So those of you asking if this is a worldwide thing, for the most part it is. There might be some limitations when it comes to your country that I cannot send it there, but for the most part, it's held worldwide. I just pay for your shipping. Sometimes it can be kind of expensive, but that's okay. You're supporting me, and I want to support you all by trying to get more people into skating. And I hope that my videos portray that. I really, really do, especially with how much I give back to the skate community. It's not really to grow my channel. It does help, but more importantly to me, I just want to see more people out there skating, and there's many, many, many of you that do not have the funds to do so, and I'm just happy that I'm able to try and help those who can't get into it, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Anyway, we're just gonna jump into the video. That's enough rambling and talking. All I've got to do is select the random winner for this deck here with Tensor trucks and primitive Dragon Ball Z grip tape. I'll be honest, the truck's probably a little small for the board, so if you get this and you want to take off your trucks, completely understand. They're just slightly too small, but it's up to you. It's all free. So yeah, you're gonna get this, you're gonna get this, and you're gonna get this, because I have no use for the skate tool, and this is what I use to put your board together. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong, but yep. Let's just jump into selecting the winner. We're gonna go through like we normally would. We're gonna go through this little tab thingy here and hit pick a winner. And we're on the monthly giveaway video, so let's just do choose from all comments and then pick a winner. Load. I've watched 4 videos, subscribed, and now I can't stop watching your videos. Well, that's awesome. Thank you so much. I'm glad that you found the channel, and I'm glad that you were able to enter this giveaway because you now won your very own custom deck designed by me. So thank you so much for finding the channel and subscribing and commenting and liking the video. I really, really, really appreciate it. So thank you. Like I do in all of my other giveaway videos, I'm just going to send a congratulations message to you and then have you email me so I can send out your custom deck. Reminder, you are going to need to get bearings and wheels because it does not have any, and you also might switch out the trucks if you don't like the way that they feel, because again, like I said, they're a little small, but this board is now yours. So congratulations, and I really hope you enjoy the arcade belt. If you don't like it, give it away to another friend. If you don't want your skate tool, give it away to somebody at the skate park. Regardless, this is now yours, so you get to do whatever you want with it, and I hope that you enjoy it. Those of you that did not win today's giveaway or this month's giveaway, make sure that you use my code giveaway20 on shop.KeeganCo.com. You can pick yourself up some merch. I've got hoodies that look like this. The back has my Subaru. I've got stuff like that on the website. This one's not on there because I didn't like the way it turned out. I'm just wearing it because it's comfortable. So hopefully I can get that updated here pretty soon. But regardless, anybody this month that uses my code giveaway20 will get 20% off everything on the website except for the custom grip tape. Now for the next giveaway, I'm gonna show you a little picture of what is to come. These are carbon fiber skateboard decks that are from Concrete Skate Supply. I found them on Instagram. They're really cool people. They have the best customer service, so I highly recommend checking them out. They're not going to be the strongest skateboard out there like Lithe. That's another company that makes all carbon fiber skateboards. Pretty much the carbon fiber on the bottom is just to make it last a little bit longer and slide a little bit better. But it does have, I believe, little urethane tips all the way around the board. I could be wrong, I haven't seen it in person, but as soon as I get them in, I will review one of them and skate one of them, because one of them is for me, and the other one is the giveaway for April. So make sure that if you haven't already, you like, you comment, and you subscribe to the channel. Like I said earlier, those are the 3 ways that you have to enter my videos or enter my giveaways, and I hope that you're ready for next month's giveaway. Let me know if you want to see something else for April, because right now that's all I have, but let me know, and I can see about doing it. If you want a custom backpack or just a backpack full of goodies, let me know. This is a Zoomies 100K bag that I got this year. Even though I don't work for Zoomies anymore, I still received one, which is kind of cool. Just let me know. Well, I'm getting attacked by my dog, so I'm going to go ahead and end today's video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate the support, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's little giveaway video. Again, like I said, nothing crazy, but I hope you enjoyed the giveaway content. And stay tuned for the next giveaway videos that are coming here for the future. And like I said, I hope that you just enjoy my content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.